the world may feel a little topsy-turvy at the moment. So come and restore your balance in Jersey. Some people need a little more reassurance, while others are quite determined to take the first steps now. Some like to know their limits. Others like to push the boat out. Some like to keep things composed. Others will make a big splash. Some look at the past, while others look ahead. Some are looking to reconnect. Others simply want to escape. And some like extravagance. Others don't. Come and experience Jersey for what we're known for, the little island with a big spirit, and find your perfect balance here with us.